You're welcome back to our friend's channel. Yeah, here is a video. There's a viral video that is being circulated right now, and if you look at it here, you see that there is a fire burning on top of water. And this is a beach. I think they said it's a Elasa beach. I don't know where that Elasa beach is located, but Another news said is located in Aja. So I don't know if Elasa Beach is located in Aja or there is another beach that is in Aja. But the bottom line is that there is a fire raging violently on top of water. And some people have called it a strange fire. Others said it's a mysterious fire. But there's something we have to understand here. I don't know. I'm not ruling out the possibility of this kind of mysterious acts happening. But I think I beg to differ and go with another popular opinion that said there is a pipeline inside the water, that there's a leaking pipeline under that water, and that is what is responsible for this very fire. Because if actually there's a leaking pipeline or there's a case of pipeline explosion, then I can tell you that it could be as a result of that very pipeline leakage or pipeline explosion, other than what some other people will have us believe. It's a result of that very pipeline exploding or that leakage of pipeline. But you're also free to believe, just like what my friend just said a while ago, that it could be that the pipeline is already tired of doing the work it is assigned to do over the years, which it has been doing, transporting crude from here down to UK, and it has been doing it without anything to show for it. So this is another way for the pipeline to protest against that very rubbish work. And of a truth, that is a very great message, no matter how funny it may sound. But what do you think? What do you make of it? The truth is that I am not quite sure of that very pipeline leakage or, pipeline exploding. But I'm just saying it's also a possibility, because many people have actually said that. I don't know how sure they are. But the thing is that many people seem to believe that it is a pipeline, and some people are actually confirmed that there is a pipeline that passed through that place, and it is more likely that it is a pipeline leakage or a pipeline explosion, as against the other belief that is a mysterious fire that nobody seems to have known what caused it. But then, what do you think of it? What do you actually think of it? Do you know this very beach? Are you conversant with this very beach? Is it true that there could be pipeline there? Do you think it could actually be as a result of a pipeline leakage or pipeline explosion? Or do you think it is the gods of the land that is angry and agitating or protesting? Thank you for watching. Just drop your comments. Let's know what you think of this very alleged mysterious fire. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that.
I waited from that place. From that place, as I come, before I did that place, everywhere was that. I put some good outside. I want to buy you. Won't see me about you. Oh, my God, yeah. Italo don't want. I don't want to see me. I know the video. No, no, this.